Guys, we got a 2014 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter SE 4-cylinder. This is what it sounds like before factory. Go ahead. Again. One more. And as you guys can see from the sound decibels, again, right at 82. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a muffler delete right there. See how huge this muffler is? We're gonna leave the resonator and the rest of the exhaust stock and see how it sounds. We'll let you guys hear it after. There's a muffler. And we're gonna put a 4-inch tip on it, double wall stainless steel. All right, guys, so we showed you what it looked like before. 2014 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. So this is what it looks like after we finished with it. Still got factory converter up there, factory resonator there, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and then we did a muffler delete, a rear muffler delete right there, and put a 4-inch tip right there. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner. Fits the gap nicely, as you guys can see right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the huge, gigantic muffler that was on it before. 2014 Ford Fusion 4-cylinder. Right there, got some fancy wheels on it. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter up there on the manifold. Then we did mid-muffler resonator delete right there. Then ran 2 1/4 pipe stock. Then usually this one comes with a huge muffler that goes from here off this hanger to this hanger out the back. So you always have to add another hanger in the middle there to support the weight of the pipe after it's taken off. And factory tip. Where's the muffler? There's the muffler right there. And there's the resonator there. You guys can see. And that's what we did. We took everything off and just straight piped it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's perfect, yeah. That sounds really nice. Hear sound decibels? Right at 103. Go ahead and back it up. So much better. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's non-turbo. Wow, it's loud. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 118, dude. That's loud. That's the sound decibels there. How much noise it makes in the ear. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Baby. Wow. Definitely gonna wake up the neighbors. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Fusion 2.5 muffler delete. Hold on a second. 2014 Ford Fusion, 4-cylinder, muffler, resonator delete, and black tip.